Hey yo! What information is found in the stability booklet used on board ships, and why is this booklet very important for seafarers? The first question: what information is found in the stability booklet used on board ships? The stability booklet is a crucial document on board ships that provides essential information for safe navigation and cargo handling. Here's what you typically find in it: general particular, ship dimensions, tonnage, and other basic details. Stability requirements, instruction for the master and the stability criteria, precaution against capsize, and shipboard procedures. Tank capacities and free surface effects, information on tank capacities, free surface moments, and flooding angles. Loading conditions, sample stabilities calculation forms, limiting stabilities criteria, key J curves, and loading condition examples. Hydrostatic data, particular stability data, and plots of the hull. Damage stability requirements, information on flooding and damage stability, including requirements for Type A and Type B ships. Second question: why is this booklet very important for seafarers? The stability booklet is vital for seafarers because it ensures the safety of the ship, crew, and cargo by providing critical stability information, helps masters and officers understand the ship's stability characteristics and limitations, and guides safe loading and ballasting practices to prevent capsizing or damage. That's all. Thank you for watching.